Hello everyone, today we're going to be working on my 2006 Lexus gs300. We'll be replacing the rotors and the brakes. And here is the brakes I'm going to be using. CarQuest. Yeah, some CarQuest brakes right here. It should bring everything. Let's figure out what that is. So yeah, and this is the rotor as well. This is the rotor. I mean, it's nothing special. I wanted the slotted and drilled, but whatever. Alright, now since your lug nuts are, loose, just get your jack and find the jack point, which would be, oh, come on, focus. It should be right there. Where that, anyways, right here. This right here. That. This whole metal rail. Alright, once the car is jacked up, you can now remove the damn tire. Damn low life problems. Alright, once you got the tire off, I already took this apart. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So there's a bolt right here. It is a 14 millimeter. Yeah. Twist it out. This is what it would look like right here. Basically this bolt, 14. Once you do that, just lift it up. You got to wiggle it out maybe, but lift it up. It'll stop right here. And then just grab it. I'm gonna grab it right here like that. Just pull it towards the car, like right over there. Once you do that, there should be, it would be right here, this bolt. I used a breaker bar. That thing was stuck tight. Once you break it loose, then you gotta break this one loose, this one, and then you can take out the whole caliper, the whole caliper right here. Alright, once you get the rotors out, now these are the new ones. I was a pain to put them on, I'm not gonna lie, so you might have some difficulty. It took me probably like 20 minutes. This is pretty easy. You just use a flathead. It's gonna be ready. Oh, let me see if I can turn it more. Right here. Like that. Put a flathead right there. Right there. And you can pop it out. And then you're going to have to play around with it for a bit. But it should be in each side. One right here. And the other one is going to be on the other side right here. And I just painted this black. Because why not? If you're wondering what spray paint I used, stain is black. Triple bumper, it's literally black spray paint, it doesn't matter. Yeah, there we go, all set. Can't complain with the result. Just lubricate this with whichever grease you have right here. Lubricate that, then the piston right here. And what I used to put the, come on, focus, this right here, the piston, I just used this, a hose clamp. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. When this is up, when the caliper is up, like right there, wrap it around right here and get a brake pad and just do that, and then keep turning it, and it should stick. And that's how you get the piston all the way back. And put this down, and it should be like butter. And then just tighten the bolt back here and you should be good.